Done. Okay. Good evening, Spurti. Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Done. So, guys, so we have just started a new program. For that, we are hiring new 30 interns. It may be with MBA or BBA degree or BTech also. Okay, here I'll say you exactly what is the task as a HR intern and what we are going to teach them and what are the benefits they are going to get. Okay, so the first thing is like here this is in a 3 months HR internship program. In this 3 months, we'll be giving training on recruiting, how to recruit the candidates, how to do the postings, callings, data entry, how to handle the clients, and data management. These are the and how to handle the portals, job portals, and what are the portals. These are the 6 things we are going to teach in this 3 months. Okay, next. What are the roles and responsibilities you have to do in this 3 months? Daily, you will be working for 3 hours for the calling purpose and 1 hour for the social media postings. Everyone must and should join the meeting. If you are absent, it will be the absent. Okay. So it is like weekly 6 days, Monday to Saturday program. In the 3 hours, you will call the job seekers and you will ask them some details, like we will provide you some a data form. See, daily we'll be providing your 100 job seekers database who are looking for the job on a particular job base. Okay, you'll call them, you'll ask their name, self introduction, you'll check either they are interested for our job requirement or not. See, if we give you a freshers software requirement, we will give you a freshers software BTech students who are looking for the software job. So you will call them, you will take a self introduction regarding the basic communication skills and technical things. If they're up to mark, then you will explain them about your company process, means whatever the requirement is. Okay, like that you will call 100 members. From that 100 members who are suitable to your job requirement, you will update to our HR. Okay, for every HICE HR we are providing 3 HR interns. Our HR will be taking care of you. Daily 1 hour they will be with you and they will take a Zoom section, they will do the postings. Even with them you will do the postings and you will post the screenshot of the postings every day. After the postings period, daily it will be 1 hour by your particular HR. Okay, this is what the work you are going to do. And what are the things we are going to provide for the interns? See, every month 3,000 is the stipend we are providing for the daily 4 hours work. It's a fixed salary base. We require minimum 90% of database attendance. Okay, and daily work report should be done. And 3,000 stipend plus incentives depends upon the joinings. If you have more than 15 joinings, everybody I'm saying, everyone, if you have a 15 joinings in a month, above the 15 joinings, for every joining, if it is a non-IT, you'll get fixed 500 rupees bonus incentive. And if it is a IT, you'll get 1,000 rupees incentive, fixed incentives. Okay. And third one is certification. We will give you a certification that you have certified in the HR training and internship work for the 3 months. Next, fourth one, we are providing 100% job to the students who are participating in this program. 30 students, we are looking for 30 students. For this 30 students, we will provide a 100% HR job after this 3 months of program. So now these are the things we are providing for our students. It may be in HICE or it may be in other companies with a basic minimum salary of 10,000 to 20,000 rupees. As a HR executive, we will place you all. Even without our help, you can only get a job in a good companies within this 3 months, because the work you are doing, you will get a lot of knowledge and experience, and database, financial support, network, contacts, social media, knowledge, everything you'll get on. Okay, even though if you're not getting, we will hire into ICE after 3 months as a fixed employees. Otherwise, we will provide you a job in another companies. 100% job for all these 30 students. Next. So guys, if you have any doubts, you can just ask me now. Any doubts? Make it very soon. Your work is daily to do 100 calls in 3 hours. Should ask their self-introduction. If they're suitable, you'll explain our job description. And if they're okay with everything, with our terms and conditions, then you will give their name and number to your HR. Okay. For every 3 interns, we will give you 1 HR and daily 1 hour postings. Social media posting in a Facebook, LinkedIn, one day you will post. And every day you will work on 2 social media networks. Okay. So daily 4 hours you are working, guys. Next, if you have any doubts, you can ask, or you can please unmute yourself and talk. Sir, I am a diploma holder in applied electronics and instruments. I'm eligible for this work. Yeah. If you are interested, even diploma is available means okay, but it's a task of a HR role is not in a so simple. So before you're joining itself, you decide, can you do this work or not? Daily, dedicatedly 4 hours, you should involve in this work. And you should have a minimum communication skills over here. And we will train you how to take the interviews, how our HR, whomever we are allotting you one HR, they will train you regarding how to take the interviews and communications.
Sir, one second. Unable to hear you, sir. Unmute, sir. Manish sir, please unmute yourself.
Done. So for every 3 interns, we will provide 1 HR from HICE daily in 1 hour postings time. Before postings, 20 minutes, they will train you regarding the postings and social media postings and how to take the interviews. And whenever you are taking the interviews, you should take self-introduction. You should explain about the company. Then you should think, is this job seeker will be with minimum 6 months to 1 year with the company or not? Then only you should give that data to the HR. Okay. Now, sir, guys, yeah,
who will provide us the numbers?
What?
Who will provide us the numbers?
Daily, we will provide the 100 database. Means you have any HR with you, right? Every 3 interns, we will provide a 1 HR. So that HR will give you daily 300 database to 3 members.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Every day morning, 9 o'clock, we will provide the work database, and in a day, any time, end of the day, you can work and you should submit the report. We will provide the database in the Google Sheet, and you should provide the result status in the same Excel sheet itself. HICE team will provide a Google Sheet. First day, we will share you the sheet. In that sheet, it will be 100 database. You will call them and you will update the result. And next day, in the same sheet, after that 100, we will insert next 100. Like the daily, we will insert 100 database in the same sheet, and you can daily verify your previous data also who are shortlisted. You can call back them and make sure that you should have a system or a laptop. Whoever working as a interns, it's a must and you should have a laptop or a system. Any more
sir,
doubts?
you said something about incentives. Can you explain it again?
Yeah, see, fixed stipend is whoever have 90% of attendance will get 3,000 fixed stipend, plus in a month, daily we are providing 100 database. So after calling, if you are shortlisting 5 or 10 in a day and you are sending to the HR, and if daily, if you are sending 5 to 10 people, means monthly 150 to 300, you will shortlist and give to the HR. In that 300 people, if any 15 members get a job, okay, it is a normal thing. And above 15, for each candidate, you will get a incentive of 500 rupees. If it is a non-IT job, 500 rupees. If it is a IT job, you will get a 1,000 rupees. See, we are only providing your data and we will show you how to post the JDs. Daily, you can like shortlist 5 to 10 people. If you seriously work, giving 30 members a job is not a big task. That is also, we are not paying, charging any single rupee from the job seekers, first of all. And the plus point is, every day we come up with new requirement. And next, within 2 to 3 days, we'll close that. And again, we take a new company requirements. So we are the continuous process thing. So daily public will be going on adding for our database. And guys, believe me, in this 3 months, if you seriously handling this, you will have a good network, contacts, database, huge support in the network. So in this HR network field. Next, any more doubts?
Please ask if you have any queries now itself. We'll clear it off.
You can message or you can just unmute yourself and you can ask whatever the doubts you have, you can ask, guys.
Sir, the
Spurti?
posting should be done on which social media sites?
Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, HICE job portal, and that's it.
Sir, we should make our separate IDs.
Yes, we will.
think.
You will create your separate IDs, new IDs. You will share in. We will provide you training. Don't worry regarding that.
Okay, sir.
Daily 20 minutes. See, 3 hours calling. 1 hour is postings period, right? In that posting period, first 20 minutes, we will train you how to do the things. We will show you in the Zoom section. Then you will do the same work for next 40 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Done. Next. Guys, we are looking only for seriously interested people. Next. Sir will provide us 100 numbers. Yes, daily will provide. If not done calls in a day, 100 calls in a day. Yeah. See, I'm saying that you should do 100 calls. If you're decided you're not interested to do 100 calls, please don't join this section, as we are dealing with very big organization. We have a very huge requirement coming 2-3 months, more than 20,000 plus IT, non-IT core requirements pan India. So we required seriously people, and this is very a new step as we are taking. So we have a very less budget on this. We are giving 3,000. If every project is going ahead, if you are giving a full support, we may increase your stipend in the second month or the third month also. Apart from your incentives, we are saying. And once again, it is very clear. If you're interested only, please join this. See, creating a Facebook account. Okay, no issues, guys. We will show you how to create a Facebook account and everything. And from today, Spurti, make sure that, and all the HR team, don't make them to create a new IDs. Let them use the previous Facebook itself. Whatever the IDs they don't have, like LinkedIn or Insta, Twitter, let them create, because the old accounts will have more credibility.
Okay, sir. Okay, done.
And HR team, please make a note of this. HICE team. If I'm already working as a part-time job, can I work intern HR also, sir? Yes, you can work here, but must and should, you should daily participate 1 hour on a posting time, and daily 100 calls. And you should maintain a report in the Google Sheet. Each and every call, we want a report every day. Weekly 7 days. Sorry, 6 days, guys. Sunday is a holiday. And just trust me, if you're going to support me this 3 months, just support me hardly 1 month. You can see the stipend and incentives also, and the work, whatever you're doing, it will be very energetic and very happy work it is. you will be getting a calls like people are calling you as a sir or ma'am with very positive case, and you're not expecting a single rupee from them in that case. So they will give you a very good respect. Okay. And you'll get many things in this 3 months, guys. So if don't care about the money for the first 1 month and join this section, second month you will get to know everything. Like, any more questions?
Okay, sir.
Done. Chalo, guys, Spurti, create
Yeah.
a Google form. Finally interested HR freelancers for 3 months program, paid program बोल के जो मैसेज है ना उस पे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप लिंक भी है ना, उस पे जस्ट गूगल फॉर्म भी ऐड करो, फाइनल गूगल फॉर्म बोल के let people join. Just select the 30 people and give major preference to the 30 people who are daily participating in the postings in the last 15-20 days. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Actually, but they are busy with something, so
okay. If they are not busy, try to take them. If they are in other activities, no issues. Take the new people.
Fine.
Altogether, hire the 30 people, but I want the status within next 1 hour. Ma. By 5:30, whoever are registering, just pick the first 30 people. Okay.
Okay, sir. Done.
Chalo. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Everyone, bye-bye. Take care, guys. We'll upload this information in the YouTube channel. You can also revise this.
Bye,
and
sir.
this will be a document for you people. If we are not up to mark on our commitments, you can ask us. Okay. It may be in any incentive part or stipend or anything. All the training part also, certification, 100% job also. Okay. Chalo, everyone. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Enjoy the day. We'll be waiting in the next section.
Thank you,
From
sir.
Monday, we'll start the thing. You're welcome, buddy. Bye-bye. Spurti, send me the recording.
Fine, done.
Yeah.